Anyone can do a 100-meter kayak race on water, but we're gonna do ours on dry land. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go.
There is no current world record for land kayaking. So whoever wins here takes it.
The biggest challenge is definitely gonna be muscle fatigue, I think. I think no matter what your strategy is, by the time you get a quarter of the way there, you're gonna be pretty tired.
My greatest foe in this competition, not even my competitors, but the earth itself.
Okay, so my strategy, first thing, lose this.
I don't think this oar is gonna do me a whole lot of good.
Get down, turn around so I'm facing the opposite way of everyone else. Scoot myself like this.
Those guys better not be watching, stealing my technique. Okay, here we go.
My one wish for us to be doing this on water, where kayaks are meant to be.
I'm ready. Let's do this.
We're gonna find out.
You guys are going down.
The only rule is that your feet can't touch the ground.
I can't leave the kayak.
And remember, this also applies on water.
All right, first person there sets the record.
The only thing that's gonna help you is your tears. After you see me way up there, and then maybe you'll have a little bit of water.
Yeah, cry us a river.
I'll cry myself.
You can do that too. On your marks, get set. Oh my
God. I'm so tired. I'm so tired already.
Well, I'm gonna puke. God!
Illustrate pressing.
Impossible.
I don't know if the guys were thinking about leaving their paddle behind. This is the best prop you can have.
Oh, that's effective. Taking a little breather. Lassie's way in the lead, but I can still take second. I gotta employ my secret maneuver. Some of the slick, some of the save me from the friction. And I know just a thing. Let's see what we got going on here. Yeah, right there. Oh yeah, this is baby oil. This is a good brand. It's not related. But here we go, yeah! Yeah, knocking at your door, Horton.
I'm getting really close, but I'm also getting so tired. And the ground like is getting less slippery. I need some of that baby oil.
I'm so tired. I'm so close, but I'm dying.
No time to talk.
Stop breaking. Scissors.
I haven't worked out that hard for like a year and a half.
The last 30 meters, I don't remember anything. I strongly recommend for those who are afraid of water to try kayaking on land and beat my time because I just made the new world record.
You are the fastest land kayaker 100-meter in the world.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Congratulations.
And so humble.